This is the next evolution of high-speed rail, engineered to push beyond 400 kilometers per hour. Built with precision engineering, every surface is designed to control air, speed, and stability. The process begins with raw material preparation, where aerospace-grade aluminum is selected for structural integrity. Advanced fiber lasers cut each component with precision, maintaining strict tolerance within 0.05 millimeters. Each aluminum blank is digitally indexed and prepared for the complex extrusion forming process. Extreme pressure forces aluminum through precision dies, forming high-strength hollow structural profiles. Controlled stretching removes internal stress, ensuring every structural rib remains perfectly straight. Each form profile is laser verified before integration into the E10 car body structure. Friction stir welding fuses panels together, creating seamless joints with exceptional structural strength. Ultrasonic scanning inspects every weld, ensuring the internal structure remains flawless and uniform. Precision machining refines panel edges, guaranteeing a perfect fit during structural assembly. These large structural panels are now ready to form the E10 aerodynamic car body shell. Individual panels are assembled into a single high-strength monocoque structural body. Assembly jigs maintain precise aerodynamic geometry throughout the entire joining process. Each structural joint is digitally verified to withstand extreme aerodynamic pressure at high speeds. The completed car body is now structurally stable and ready for aerodynamic nose integration. Five-axis CNC machines shape the E10 nose geometry to reduce tunnel pressure shock effects. Every aerodynamic surface is laser mapped to ensure stable airflow behavior at extreme speeds. The finished nose module is now ready for integration with the main car body structure. High-precision steel wheels are machined to ensure stability across all operating conditions. Integrated traction motors deliver the torque required for rapid acceleration to cruising speeds. Air suspension systems are pressure tested to guarantee smooth and stable high-speed operation. These high-performance bogies are now ready for integration with the main structural body.
All right, final sign off then.
The car body is lifted with micron precision for installation of the propulsion system. Precise alignment ensures stability and optimal performance during high-speed cornering. With the structure unified, the platform advances toward integration of advanced electrical systems. High-speed fiber optic networks are installed to form the E10 intelligent control system. Each circuit is digitally verified to ensure instant communication across all onboard systems. The central control system is now ready for integration of high-voltage roof components. High-efficiency pantographs are installed to ensure stable power collection at extreme speeds. Aerodynamic covers are added to reduce drag and minimize noise during high-speed travel. With roof systems complete, the structure is ready for final surface coating. Electrostatic coating is applied in controlled conditions for a smooth, low-friction finish. A nanoceramic top layer protects the train from debris and environmental exposure. Every surface is inspected to ensure consistent color and flawless reflective quality. The completed exterior is now ready for full-scale factory validation testing. Roller rigs simulate speeds up to 500 kilometers per hour to verify dynamic stability. Emergency braking systems are tested under extreme conditions to ensure maximum passenger safety. AI diagnostics confirm that all mechanical and digital systems perform at peak efficiency. Engineered with the precision and discipline of Japanese manufacturing, the E10 represents more than speed. It reflects a relentless pursuit of perfection, where every detail is refined to its limit. As technology advances, this platform points toward a future where high-speed travel becomes faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever before.
Next-Gen Machine Works, building the impossible. Subscribe to join the future.